Hey guys and goddesses, Whitney here, and welcome back to my channel. This is Moments with Whit, and I'm Whit, and today I'm coming to you guys with another video. This time it's going to be how I created this everyday or function ready summer look. If you guys are interested in seeing how I created this look, keep on watching. Also, stay tuned till the end to see how I do a DIY scarf top. I went to a function last weekend. It was the Everyday People Party, which was so much fun, and I got so many compliments on my top. If you guys are interested in seeing how I created this look along with my DIY hack, stay tuned and keep on watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys for coming to my channel. Stay beautiful and stay blessed. First, I'm going to go in with my Roche Moisturizer, and then I'm going to prime my face with my Benefits Porefessionals primer, and then I'm just going to start my brows. All of the products will be linked down below in the description box, so if you guys have any questions about the products that I'm using, just check the description box for more details. I knew I was missing something. So you guys, I don't do crazy eyeshadow, like really, especially when the loud cars are passing by. I don't do crazy eyeshadow, especially in the summertime, because like I don't have time, and I'm not gonna front, I'm not that skilled. I do the very least, but it looks like the most. You will see that in a second. I'm also gonna use the Morphe 351, I believe. Yes, 351 palette to achieve the look that I got.
I like that sound.
So basically, I'm just using this transitional shade and building up the color until I'm happy with it. I did use two different colors. I used the color Muddy, and I believe I also used the color Brick to achieve this look. My camera stopped working, and then I used the color Blaze in my inner corner. You guys will see that in a second. So I do like to color correct because I do have and suffer from hyperpigmentation, mostly on the lower portion of my face. So you will see me color correcting. It does even out my skin tone and looks better when I do apply my foundation in the end. So I'm about to go in with my Fenty Beauty Profiltr foundation in the shade 470. I'm still absolutely in love with this foundation. I might need a different shade for the summer, but this foundation is amazing. Now I'm going to highlight and use my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Toast, and I'm going to use a flat top brush to blend everything out, just highlighting the areas that I normally would. now to bring back some definition to my face, I'm going to go in with my Fenty Beauty matchstick in the color Espresso and just chisel out my face a bit. Next, I'm going to go in with my Smashbox contour palette. This is kind of old, but I am going to use the darkest shade in this palette to set my contour. To set my highlight, I'm going to use the Sephora Baked Mineralized Skin Finish in the color Mahogany. For my finishing touches, I'm going to go and highlight with the Fenty Beauty Matchstick in Cinnamon, and I'm going to go on top of that with the Mascara Mule from her Kilowatts. On my lips, I'm going to be doing a trio. I'm going to use a black lip liner along with a NYX Liquid lipstick, and I'm going to go on top of that with my Fenty Gloss Bomb. This is basically it. Second try, I'm gonna go on and apply my lashes, and I will be right back. So my camera died again, and I applied my lashes. They are the Ardell Faux Mink Wispy Lashes.